are a group of statements that appears to be an argument but fail to support the conclusion.
Good day, ICIans!
I am Eliza Beatrice Manan.
And I am Justin Galvita, reading your excited performances from grade 12 stand 4.
And we would love you in one of the most common causes.
The appeal to court, argumentum ad baculum. But first, what is argumentum ad baculum?
Argumentum ad baculum or simply applied to force, an argument used by people who wants to win a conflict by using terms to their opponent.
Now, are you ready to witness the fantastic performance of this two clips?
You guys are excited, but now allow us to introduce you the following cast of these two performances.
The first clip entitled Bantay ng Binata, the cast was as James, who's the Binata, Alex as Theo, the father, and Justin as Jay, the younger brother of James.
Second clip entitled Gov or No, the cast were Darnay Santa Iglesia as running mayor of the Cababalagan province, now while Eliza Beatrice Panal and Kim Muner are the citizens of Cababalagan province.
Tanong mga rin yung sa eskwela mga rin. Nagkakating ng mga papel board project. May lalakarin bukas ng umaga. Sa mga naman pa ako makakawin dahil magbibinta ako ng mais sa lungsod. Hindi po tayo naghihilan sa ginagawa.
Yeah, ano ulam?
Gawa mo, nagda-drugs ka ba?
Uy, hindi wala lang to. Hindi, kitang-kita ko, gumagamit ka talaga. Isusumbong kita kay tatay. Huwag mo akong isusumbong, bawal yan. Subukan mo. Sabihin mo, palilintikan mo talaga sa akin. Kung ganun, ito hindi maaari. Isusumbong kita kay tatay ngayon din.
Magandang araw, mga mamamayan ng Cababalagan Province. Ito ulit si Darwin Santa Iglesia, tumatakbo bilang mayor ng probinsyang ito. At sa aking plataforma, sinisigurado ko kayo ay mapapanagutan at matutulungan. Ako, tayo, sabay-sabay tayo magkaroon ng pagbabago mula sa aking plataforma, hindi lamang salita, ngunit may gawa. Ako, si Darwin Santa Iglesia, tumatakbo bilang mayor.
Walang bayad ng option daw. Talaga lang ba?
Tama. Pakauwi niyo yung walang kwentang servisyo na yun. Ay, nako.
Puro na lang salita. Parang lang nagagawa. Sinabi mo pa.
Talaga lang ha? Tingnan natin kung mananalo ang pinapanigan nyo.
Nakahiya.
Ang gano'n. Hindi nyo talaga ako iboboto? Sagot!
Ikaw hindi.
Parang hindi ka namin ibuboto.
Kung gano'n, susunugin ko ang mga palayan sa lugar na ito upang wala na kayong pangkabuhayan. Alalahanin nyo, mayor pa rin ako dito. Hindi ko ibibigay ang boto na para sa inyo!
Napakakawang tao!
Kilalanin nyo kung sinong binabangga nyo.
Takes the honorable secret of younger brother thought to be intensive sin that used based elder brother against sin in warning towards telling the truth to their father.
This is an example of argumentum ad baculum fallacy because the elder brother used threatening, warning, and way to bother one towards his brother, which is trying to tell the bad doing of his brother towards their father. Fits the desired scenario for what is actually argumentum ad baculum fallacy all about.
The road trip is all about ideal running and running stories. However, the citizen who might not realizing their bad doing in the kababalaghan of progress. Try to speak in straight awareness who should begin their vote merely for the survival. This is an example of argumentum ad solem policy because the mayor shows an issue using your power against citizens. They will not vote her as mayor in Cabanatuan province, ideal entertaining behavior that is not in a well-conditioned but fall into a policy one, yet unfair and bad.
So that's the all for today's video, and we are hoping that you enjoy the glimpse of those places beyond.
Thank you for watching. Once again,